This is a placeholder video for 123 CAD as an introduction. I don't have time to do this work justice, so I'm just going to show some basics. Here I have a picture, a sketch that's been created in 123 CAD. You have an add-in that gives you these new menus, these new tabs up here. Those are in addition to the normal tabs and icons that you have in the normal Excel. I'm using Excel 2016 here. But with 123 CAD added in to Excel, you have these icons for drawing the sketch. You have things you can do. You can drag things around. You can hide and show various things. This particular tab has room for lots of extra icons, but not all of them. So I divided it into 3 tabs. These are icons for creating geometry. And these are icons for transforming and constructing and calculating and more. So this drawing has lines like that one. It has arcs like that one. The points are being filtered out. I can show them, but they're a nuisance. But this just shows you, well, I'll turn the filter off. Now there are my points. Because each arc, for instance, has to have a center and 2 defining endpoints, as does a line. So we have, in this simple picture, points, lines, arcs, and behind them there are also circles. If I wanted to create a circle, for instance, I could do it 3 ways. Let's pick a center and a point. So if I pick that point and pick that point, and click center plus point circle, and that's what I get.